Fred Rispoli, a well-known lawyer, went on the X platform to talk about the quiet moment in the SexUV's Ripple legal battle and what might happen during this time. Also, well-known market analyst Ali Martinez recently brought to the community's attention a pattern that he thinks could lead XR to the $1.10 area, which could be a good time for some buyers to buy. But does this new pattern mean that XRP will definitely hit the $1.10 price target? Not only that, but will burning the company's full XRP escrow bring the benefits that the XRP community hopes for? Finally, try to watch the whole movie because at the end we'll talk about the three main things that could make XRP reach a new all-time high. You should watch this new video right away if this sounds like something you'd be interested in. Devin and welcome to our channel. Here we talk about the latest news about XRP and cryptocurrencies in general. Thank you for watching our videos. If this is your first time, we will make sure you feel welcome. If you don't want to miss another movie, please click on bell icon. We are letting you know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To be eligible, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag. The winner will be announced on January 15th. Some people in the XRP community are worried about how quiet the ongoing court battle between the SEC and Ripple has become lately. In November 2023, the ES District Court for the Southern District of New York put out the schedule order for the remedies part of the lawsuit. Since then, nothing has happened, especially from the state. Because of this, people who are interested in XRP have taken to different social media sites to voice their worries about the sexist silence. Pro XRP lawyer Fred Rispoli said in a recent X post that the reason for the silence could mean that he was surprised too that DC hadn't yet filed any discovery motions linked to damages, even though the lawsuit was hostile. Rispoli thinks the CC might send this motion at least a week before the date of February 12, 2024. Looking at what could happen in this case, lawyer Rispoli thought that the SEC might get the findings it wanted, which would make a settlement more likely. He said that if this scenario doesn't happen, the securities regulator might bring it up again with remedies meeting. After losing more and more cases in court, Attorney Rispoli thinks that the SEC might lose most of its requests for remedies if it goes this way. At the same time, lawyer Rispoli brought up another possible result of the same. Rispoli said that the circuit could quickly get through the remedy stage so that it could fight the Second Circuit Court's decision to grant summary judgment. Remember that the CC tried to file an interlocutory appeal soon after the court made the ruling on summary judgment, which meant that Ripple won in part. The court, however, turned down the request and told the regulator to file its appeal only after all other problems have been resolved. Since the EC dropped its charges against Ripple executives last year, the agency can now file an appeal more quickly. This is because the only thing left to do in the case is the remedies briefing. To give you some background, the remedies briefing stage is set to end on April 9, 2024, and a decision is likely to come out by early summer. Don't forget to subscribe to our station and hit that bell to be the first to know what's going on with XRP. Martinez told some things about X in two different stories. In one of these reports, the market veteran pointed out a trend that has been driving the price of SRP since June 2022, when it traded for 29 cents to 42 cents. Martinez says this pattern is a rising parallel channel and it has been guiding the price of XCR for more than 18 months. Two trend lines that are parallel to each other and slope upward make up a rising parallel channel. The pattern shows that there is a steady but slow rise in prices. In this pattern, the upper trend line is important because it works as resistance against any break above the channel. In addition, the lower trend line acts as a support level, stopping any drop below the channel. Since June 2022, XRP has been trading in this range. We having tried to break up or down but failed. Some supporters of the token might think it is in a tough spot, but the fact that the channel is going up is a hopeful sign that XRP's price has continued to rise, albeit slowly. It's interesting that when XRP hit a high of 74 cents on November 13, 2023, it was trying to break through the middle of the channel. Remember that this price increase was caused by rumors of a fake BlackRock share XRP ETF. People in the neighborhood found out the product was fake. The XRP finally fell apart. From a bigger picture point of view, this breakdown has been going on all through the new year. So XRP has dropped to the lower trend line of the range. Notably, if prices keep falling from here, they could break through the lower trend line, which would cause fear and keep the selling pressure on. Martinez, on the other hand, is pretty optimistic. Analysts agreed that XRP would get back up from this drop and hit the middle or lower edge of the channel if things keep going the way they are. If CRP makes a comeback and hits the midline of the channel, it will get back to the price of 80 cents. This is the lowest price for XRP since July 2023, when it hit a high of 93 cents. Also, if XRP goes up even more to the upper trend line, it will soar to its highest level in 31 months, which is $1.10. The recent drop to the bottom edge of the channel, which was partly caused by the collapse of the market as a whole, has hurt investors' mood. Based on what Ali Martinez says, sentiment data shows that the weighted market sentiment for XRP has dropped to 0.884. This number, which means the market is likely to go down, was last seen in May when XRP was trading between 41 cents and 52 cents. In a bearish market, Martinez spoke to buyers who were thinking differently. These are people who take stances that are different from what the market is thinking. According to the analyst, the present situation could be a chance for these investors to make money. Schwartz was asked if the idea of burning the tokens wasn't something that could be thought about. In response to this idea, Schwartz said he didn't think it would work and asked what benefits it might really have. After Schwartz's announcement, another member of the community voiced worry that XR holders might have to deal with problems for a long time until the escrow runs out. Schwartz argued against this point of view by bringing up old reasons in 2018. He said that most opponents at the time said that limiting the supply of the token wouldn't have a big effect on its market cap and would actually help price increase. The Stellar, a project like the XRP system that was started by McCaleb, co-founder of Ripple, had 100 billion tokens available at first. People started to worry about how large the stock of the asset was. It cost $5, 5 cents billion or 55 billion tokens of the Stellar Development Foundation to burn in November 2019. As a result, the price of XM only went up by a small amount to 9 cents and then dropped right away. It ended November 2019 with an unexpected drop. Schwartz brought this event to people's attention and said that the stellar burn showed that the story that burned